Holy crap, dude. What's up, guys? We're here at the park again. As you can see, it's like 7 o'clock now, starting to get dark. This is what we're tossing today. We got a nice popper. This cool little bass right in front of me. Oh, wow. Oh, he got off the hook, but geez. Whew, it's exciting. It's been a while since I got a hit on the popper. Before we do anything else, let's just sneak into this guy's backyard really quick. Fish it off and then run out of here. We gotta be super quiet. Wow, just missed a bite. Come on, pass this way and hope to get lucky. Oh wow, all the way in there. That is not all of it. Dude. Oh my god, they keep running off. Yes, there he goes. Dude, huge. Not super huge, but it's pretty good. Dude, he's just skating across surface of water. No fight? Oh my. Oh my. Dang. We got him good. Nice. Let's get out of this guy's backyard. As you can see, guys, I mean, we got a couple hits on the other side on the GoPro, but it's way too dark for the GoPro to pick up any lighting right now. Why don't we just go check out and see what's in the water? Switch the camera on. Let's go see. Dude, look at that frog! That thing's freaking huge! Oh, crazy. See ya, buddy. Look at that. Oh, it's just a Hey, look, another bullfrog.
Oh!
Woo! There he goes. Let's see what else we find.
Purple and yellow.
Ooh, wow.
Wow.
Snake. That was a snakehead. Big feather. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's what we're here for. Watch out for the rocks.
Well, we always like put fish down the thing.
Oh no. Guys, battery's too low for flash.